Hey everyone, welcome back. So we have a new book this week called Woman Down by Colleen Hoover. And I don't know if you follow along or if this is your first time. We will select a book and then we'll do a little journal page in our craft journal here. I like to do the cover of the book, or if I have a guess as to what the book's about, I'll kind of draw a picture, taking a guess. This one, I'm of course just mirroring the cover itself, kind of having fun with my acrylic markers. And then we'll read the book, and then next week tune in and I'll have a craft that you could do with your friends or your book club that's kind of related to the story. So I'm going to read the back of Woman Down and kind of give you an idea about what this book's about. So it says, there's no better plot twist than the truth. Her words used to set the page on fire, but a viral backlash over her latest film adaptation forced Petra Rose to take a hiatus, resulting in missed deadlines and an overdue mortgage. Branded a fraud and a fame-hungry opportunist, she learned the hard way what happens when the internet turns on you, and she's been uninspired to write ever since. Now, with her next suspense novel outlined and savings nearly gone, she retreats to a secluded lakeside cabin, hoping to find inspiration. It's Petra's last-ditch attempt to save her career and herself. Then he shows up. Detective Nathaniel Saint arrives with disturbing news, his presence igniting a creativity in her she thought long since burnt out. Petra's words return in a rush, and her fictional cop character begins to mirror the very real cop who's becoming her muse. Their research sessions blur the lines between fantasy and reality. Each glance, every touch pulls Petra deeper into a world she thought she'd never lose herself in again. She's never felt more alive. But inspiration this powerful comes at a cost. When Saint starts taking his role in her career a little too seriously, Petra's forced to confront the chaos she created. But doing so could cost her more than the reputation she's been trying to salvage. The reputation the world wrote for her. The reputation only she can reclaim. So man, it sounds spicy, I'm not gonna lie. Kind of curious how it all plays out. It's not a very thick book, and I can't remember. I don't think I've read many books by Colleen Hoover, but I know she's a pretty popular writer. So I'm looking forward to reading this. I'm just going to complete my little journal by writing the title in there, and then I'll get to reading. So tune in next week. Thank you so much.